Number 4. Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven. The Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven is a game changer in the world of smoking and barbecue. No need to wake up early to start the charcoal. Just set it and forget it. One of the pros of this outdoor oven is its versatility. With 8 different cooking functions, you can smoke, bake, roast, grill, and more all in one appliance. This means you can save space and money by having multiple cooking methods in a single unit. Another benefit of the Ninja Woodfire oven is its ease of use. Simply set the desired function, time, and temperature, and let the oven do the work for you. No constant monitoring or adjusting needed. Just trust that your food will come out perfectly cooked every time. One thing to consider is the size of the oven. While it may be a bit small for cooking larger items like whole racks of ribs, it still produces delicious results with smaller cuts of meat. Plus, the compact size makes it portable and easy to store when not in use. Overall, the Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven is a must-have for anyone who loves barbecue and smoked foods. Its versatility, ease of use, and compact size make it a great addition to any outdoor cooking setup. Check it out for yourself and take your grilling game to the next level. Still searching for the perfect budget smoker? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.